Am I the only one who thought Mercury was just a boring rock? Think again. Let's launch into some wild space trivia. First up, did you know Mercury is shrinking? Yep, this tiny planet is getting even tinier. Scientists have found that it's still contracting due to its cooling core. Next, Mercury has ice. I know, right? Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, its polar craters are permanently shadowed, allowing ice to exist. Here's a hot one. A day on Mercury is longer than a year. It takes 59 Earth days to spin once, but only 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Talk about a long workday. Ever wonder about Mercury's atmosphere? Well, it barely has one. Instead, it's got a thin exosphere made up of atoms blasted off its surface by solar winds. Mercury's got wrinkles. Its surface is covered with cliffs called lobate scarps, formed as the planet's core cooled and contracted. And Mercury's magnetic field? It's surprisingly strong for such a small planet, but it's weirdly off-center, shifted about 20% of its radius northward. Mind blown yet? Speaking of mind-blowing, Mercury has the most eccentric orbit of all the planets. Its path around the Sun is more like an oval than a circle. Guess what? Mercury's surface is covered in craters, but one stands out, the Calauris Basin. It's one of the largest impact basins in the solar system, over 1,500 kilometers wide. And here's a fun fact. Mercury can be seen transiting the Sun from Earth. This rare event happens about 13 times a century. Finally, Mercury has no moons or rings. It's just too close to the Sun to hang on to any. So, which fact about Mercury blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it.